Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am baking something simple, classic and absolutely delicious. A soft and fluffy vanilla cake. This is perfect homemade cake from scratch, whether it is for a birthday or any celebration. So let's get started on this easy and amazing vanilla cake recipe. So first of all, I have taken 8 egg white and I am going to whip it. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and I am going to whip it again. Now I am going to add 1 cup of sugar, but I am going to add it into 3 batches. So make sure you add the sugar batch by batch. So please don't over mix it. Now I am going to add 8 egg yolk and I am going to mix it gently. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and I am going to strain it. Now I am going to add 1 cup of flour and I am going to strain it so there is no any lumps. And I am going to whisk it. Now I have taken 1/3 cup of milk, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/3 cup of oil, and I am going to whisk it. Now I am going to add cake mixture into it and I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to transfer this mixture into cake batter. And I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to brush baking mold with oil. And I am going to put parchment paper under it. And I am going to pour the cake mixture into it. Now I am going to put inside the oven and I am going to bake it 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So now 40 minutes is over. So cake is ready now. Now I am going to cool down. Now I am going to transfer it into the plate. Now I am going to remove parchment paper and I'm going to cut on top very thinly. Now I have taken cake labeler and I am going to cut into half. So now you can see I have cut into half. Now I have taken 300 gram of butter and I am going to whip the butter. Now I have taken 600 gram of icing sugar and I am going to strain it so there is no any lumps. And I am going to whip it again. Now I am going to add 80 ml of cream batch by batch. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Buttercream frosting is ready now. Now I have taken 80 ml of water and 80 gram of sugar and I am going to make sugar syrup and I am going to mix it well. So now sugar syrup is ready. Now I am going to cool down. Now I have taken 10-inch cake board. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of buttercream frosting. Now I am going to layer sliced sponge cake on base. Now I am going to apply sugar syrup on top of it. Now I am going to spread buttercream frosting on top of it. Now I am going to add second layer of sponge cake on top of it. And I am going to apply sugar syrup on top of it. And the same way I am going to spread buttercream frosting on top of it. So make sure you cover all around. I have taken a scraper for smoothing the cake. And we can make design by a scraper as well. So finally I am going to garnish it with whipped cream, and I have taken flour sprinkle and I am going to put around. And finally I am going to sprinkle with rainbow. So you can see vanilla cream cake is ready, and it is very simple to make. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.